Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment box if you have any experience with chicken feet. If you know somebody who likes to eat chicken bones, let me know.
Warning, warning, warning. The following video you are about to see contains graphic content and lip smacking. Viewer discretion is advised.
Lemon pepper feet.
Chicken feet consists of bones, skin, and tendons, but no muscles. These are packed with protein, calcium, collagen, and cartilage that are easily absorbed by the body. These are the essential nutrients required for good joint movement to minimize arthritis and joint pain.
Okay, so I guess chicken feet is actually kind of a health food. So let's go ahead and give this a try. To some people they might look scary, but not really to me. There's not really a whole lot of foods that scare me that bad, and chicken feet definitely isn't one of them. It's actually really good. Now biting into this is pretty much like biting a thick piece of chicken skin off of a bone, and it has that really good lemon pepper flavor, and it's good for you. It's definitely a winner in my book. Not much different than pig's feet. When I just bit into the palm of the chicken foot, it just really reminded me of pig's feet. It kind of took me back. You gotta love lemon pepper. Now these are definitely an appetizer. It takes quite a bit of work to get all of the material off of the bones. These did take a really long time to cook. But it worked out. So I guess if you know someone who has arthritis, this is what you want them to eat. I know this girl, she said they were eating the bones, eating it like it's a chicken nugget, crunching the bones and everything. That's way too hard. I've eaten chicken feet, wingtips, the head and the brain, but I draw the line at chicken bones. I feel healthier already. Okay, just a few more feet to go. Ding, 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 ding. All right. That's it. I'm all done. That flavor, the lemon pepper, was incredibly good. I would absolutely 100% recommend you guys try chicken feet. Oh yeah, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment box if you have any experience with chicken feet. If you know somebody who likes to eat chicken bones, let me know. Also, if you want to support the channel, click on the link in if you want to support the channel, click on the link in the description box and grab. If you want to support the channel, click on the link in the description box and grab your own. If you want to support the channel, click on the link in the description box and grab your very own. But until next week, I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.